Hey crafty friends, it's Alyssa with Crafting to Cope, and I'm on today with a mystery box. I love me a good mystery box, and I've actually never purchased this type of mystery box before. This is a 49 in Market mystery box, and so my husband took me on a fun trip to California, and while we were on that trip, he also let me go to Frank Garcia Studios. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Frank Garcia, but if not, you should definitely look up Frank Garcia. So I went to the adorable store and I saw one box sitting on the counter and I'm like, ooh, I need that. I need to see what's in there. And then I bought some other fun things, which I'll share a haul on that later. But I thought I'd start with this fun mystery box. So I actually had what I purchased shipped to me. So they offered me free shipping, and so they shipped this to my home with the other things I bought, but I wanted to see what was in here, so we're going to do this video first because I'm dying to know what's in here. So it's a mystery box bundle. Oh my goodness, look at all these goodies in here. How fun. So let's see. The first thing is a set of note cards, and so they're plain. And they are from the, I can't even read it, Evergreen collection maybe? So it's this pretty mint, a light blue, and then like a red with matching envelopes. So those will come in handy. You can never have enough card bases. And then some fun flowers. I love flowers. So these cute little canary, they say canary, these little yellow flowers. So cute. And then soft lilac, and look at how cute they are. That's going to be fun for spring crafting. And then there's two blue. So there's this little, they're called Pacific. So the light blue and then like the kind of darker, and then the bigger flowers that match it. How fun. And then, ooh, this is so pretty. Look at this pouch. It is beautiful. So it has birds and leaves. That's pretty. It's a nice size. That'll be fun to kind of put some projects in. Oh, there's a little pack of enamel dots in there. But yeah, this is nice. So that'll be fun. Like when I travel, I can put my little crafty projects in there to bring along with me. It's so pretty. All right, so I do have some of these. So they come with some tickets, some stamps, and then some other little stamps I'll show you. And I have them in like red and green. I bought them for like Christmas, but they come with these rolls. So there's a roll of like these kind of remind me of like the stamps you used to get at the grocery store back in the day. So all these little stamps. And then these purple stamps that kind of look like postage stamps. And then tickets, rolls of tickets. How fun will that be? Like there's little admit ones, and then they're all different. So that'll be fun to add into projects or use as backgrounds and things. All right. What is this? Vintage Everywhere Washi Tape Assortment. It's a nice box. So let's see. It has this. It's almost like travel. This will be fun to put into like a journal, a junk journal. We use it for layering, so it kind of looks like a map almost. Look, Los Angeles, that's where I was. And then it comes with the little washi tape cutter, so you can put it right here on the box. That's pretty cool. So yeah, my husband took me on a trip to Los Angeles, and we actually went to the Warner Brothers studio and went on a studio tour. And we totally went because I'm obsessed with Gilmore Girls, and they had Warner Brothers set up for Christmas time in Stars Hollow, which is the town in Gilmore Girls. So it was so much fun. And when I was there, like there was actually some, like one of the actors was there, one of the major actors was there. It was crazy. I had a really good time though. And I love Christmas. So it was so much fun to see Stars Hollow decorated as Christmas. And then This is more washi tape. So this, oh, washi tape stickers, it says. Let's see. How do I open this box? I was opening it backwards. Oh, these are so cute. So there's like dragonflies, bees, hello, little clips, some leaves. Ooh, those will be fun. So these are washi stickers. I don't know. I love a good mystery box because it takes me out of my comfort zone and I end up with things that I get to figure out what to do with them. So these are some chipboard words and like a lot of blue colors. So dream, daydreamer, wild, always. Let's see. Where dreams grow, possibilities bloom. Thankful, lovely. So all kinds of different little chipboard pieces. So those are nice. And then it looks like academia, off to great places. So this looks like a paper pad. Oh my. This is such nice heavy paper. Ooh, this will be so much fun. I love that. Look at the books. Oh, that's cute. I love these. They kind of look like watercolor. Little chevrons. And those are cool colors. Oh, I love this one. Look at how cute that is. I love it. Brick wall. Oh, this paper is fabulous. And then some little cut aparts in there. But look at the back. That is so cool. Oh, I like that paper. That'll be fun to add into a journal. All right, Inkwell envelope bits. Look at these. They're little envelopes and then little things you can put inside of them. Let's take a look at a few of these. This is really nice quality. And this box, I don't know if, well, I'll show it to you when it's empty and it's easier for me to move. But the box is gorgeous. So, oops, dropping the bits. Look at these little cute blue envelopes. And they're all different, like little coin envelopes. And then there's like the story of this day, little journal cards. Look at all of these cute little journal cards, little notes. There's a frame in here. This will be fun. I like those. And then they're blue. So, I mean, that's going to match so many things. Let me see if I can get these bits back in here. I don't want to lose any. Well, so far, I'm pretty happy with everything. This is called Summer Porch. And, oh my goodness, it comes with so many things. It's like red, white, blue, and green. So there's little envelopes in here, little journal cards, little circles, little tags. There's some little tabs. Well, I like that. And that kind of will go with this as well. So that's nice. And then we have Summer Porch mini laser cut elements. So this actually matches these bits here, the die cut shapes. Let's see what this has in it. If I can figure out how to open it. So these are little, you pop out the bits, but look at those pretty flowers. Look at that tree, little table, like a fishing net, more nautical type theme things. Look at those ropes, how fun. Well, that's really cool. I like those. And I wish you could feel through the camera. Like, the paper is just such good quality. And then ocean collage sheets. Ooh, let's look at these. I love the ocean. Let's see if I can get this sticker out of here. There we go. Now these are more lightweight, but they're for collaging, so that makes sense. So cute. Butterflies. Well, that's cool. Looks like a lot of butterflies and just pretty papers, like maps. This stuff will be so fun to use in a journal. I love it. And then this matches the other one, the summer porch, and these are rub-on transfers. And so you can kind of see all the ones that come in here down here. How pretty. I love the trees. They kind of have like a watercolor effect to them. And the blue and red flowers are just gorgeous. So I like that. And then this is some washi sheets. And this is academia, so it matches this paper stack here. Well, those will be fun. Backgrounds. Oh my, there's a lot in here. So then now we have Wherever page kit. So it looks like you get 4 pattern papers, 4 sheets of laser cut elements, and 1 sheet of adhesive backed chipboard. And this really nice envelope. Let's just see what's in here, shall we? So these are those elements. They're super thick chipboard. And then these are the punch out sheets. That is such a pretty color. I don't even know if you can see how pretty that color is. And then there's some more. So it kind of has like travel theme, adventure. And then more like punch out sheets. So like these tabs and everything punch out. Some cards for journaling. And then this beautiful, oh my goodness, this paper is so thick and pretty. So it kind of has a travel vibe to it. This one says awesome. Look at that collage on there. So these are almost like scrapbook ready pages. And then you just decorate them up with some of the elements. That's cool. And then there's instructions here on how to decorate pages. So it's like step 1, gather pieces, and then layers, more layers, and then final layout, and it gives you ideas. How fun. I like that. All right, I'll put this away after the video. Why don't I want to show you like the inside of that box. Look at how pretty that is. And even the cover looks like that. I'll be hanging onto that box. It's a nice sturdy box. It'd be good for paper storage. All right. So then what's left here is there is some, let's see, loose paper sheets. So this adorable little like porch setting and the plants. And then on the back, and then this, it almost looks like grass, green, and then more green, which goes really good with this paper. And then this is from the Evergreen, which matches the card set that they sent. So this is like what the cards look like on the inside. Vintage Orchard Pear Tree. Oh, I like that. Charcoal paper. Oh, how pretty. Kind of like a beige color. This almost looks like a countertop. More of the charcoal paper. Oh, dogs and cats. Is that cat? Yeah, there's cats. And then dogs. I love me some dogs and cats. And that paper is really cool as well. And then this is just kind of speckled again. These ones just remind me of countertops for some reason. And this one kind of has almost like a burlap look to it. And then the yellow color. So those are fun loose sheets. And then I did also get the Evergreen Season 12 by 12 collection pack. So it comes with 10 double-sided papers and then get an exclusive print on the back side of the cover. Well, I can never have too much Christmas paper, so let's see. And I think there was some things that went with this collection. Maybe just the card kit went with the collection. So let's look at these Christmas papers. Let's see what's exclusive. It's on the back side. Oh, that's cute. Little houses and trees. Oh, a vintage Santa. I love vintage. And then buffalo plaid. Cute little trees with gold stars. And then fa la 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 la. Ooh, that is pretty. That's like, looks like it should be framed with a picture in it. That is so pretty. And then some green plaid. This again has kind of like a journal-y vintage feel. And then the little green trees. Such pretty flowers. This reminds me of a sweater. And then some red and white Christmas flowers with pine. And again, kind of reminds me of a sweater. And then another vintage Santa in blue. And that same fa la la on the back in a different color. This one is gorgeous with the blue and white. And then more trees. Some wood slices. Some leaves. And look at these adorable cut-aparts. So I could use this pack of cards, these cut-aparts, and this paper and make some really cute cards that would match perfectly. And then a plaid. So there was a lot of goodies in this box. I'm pretty happy with it, and it kind of took me out of my comfort zone. I don't have a lot of 49 in Market, but they have such great quality items. So I wanted to share that fun mystery box with you. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Bye.